this is 2006 paper 1 question 3, and in part A there are two sections. First we have to find the function f of g of x, given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x equal to 2x minus 3, and secondly to find g of f of x. So for part 1 there, f of g of x, well, we're going to replace the x in f of x with g of x equal to 2x minus 3. So therefore our f of x is going to become 2 times x, which is now g of x, which in turn is 2x minus 3, so 2 times 2x minus 3 plus 3, and in the second part, g of f of x, well, this time it's the x in g of x equals 2x minus 3. That's to be replaced with the definition of f of x. So we have g of f of x is equal to 2 times this 2x plus 3 minus 3 this time. In part B, we're asked to determine the lowest possible value of the product of those two functions that we just worked out. So we can say that the product f of g of x times g of f of x is given by 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 3 times 2 into 2x plus 3 in brackets minus 3, and we can expand these brackets. 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, plus 3 will be just minus 3, so 4x minus 3 times, so the second bracket, 2 times 2x is 4x again, plus 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 is just plus 3, so 4x plus 3. And here we can use the fact that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Therefore 4x minus 3 times 4x plus 3 is the same as 4x all squared minus 3 all squared, which is 9. So our function is 4x all squared minus 9, which is equal to 16x squared minus 9. So to find the least possible value of that product, which comes to 6x squared minus 9, probably in the higher syllabus you have to use a trial and error method, but we could also say that the first derivative of the function will identify the location of the lowest point. So we can look at both then. Now, with our function being equal to 16x squared minus 9, we could try a couple of values to see what we get out of it. Well, if x was 0, obviously our function would have a value of 0 minus 9, which is minus 9. We can't really get any smaller values than that because of the x squared term. So if x is positive or negative, both are going to square to give a positive term. So we can't really get a smaller value than minus 9, and therefore that's actually our answer there, minus 9.